road trip to my cottage. And our bird's going with us. You excited? No. She bobs her head like that when she's nervous. So I don't think she's very excited to go, but when she gets there, she's always happy. She loves watching the boats bye-bye on the river. We're going to St. Lawrence River and be uploading some content, some big fish possibly. My bird doesn't like fish.